to see how Kurt reacts to his replica.
What in there? Why is it looking at me like that?
It's okay. It's just a stuffed
Yeah,
animal.
I'm sizing you up. He doesn't want
It's
smoke.
okay, buddy.
Come on then, tough guy. I don't hear any back talk. What you gonna do? Get out of here. Come on, fight back, boy. That's what I thought.
What you gonna do? He's on your throne.
Get down from there, you.
Top 10 dogs that I would pet instead of my dog. None. Because I love only Bella, and I only want to pet her.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an...
Did you know there was a cat on board the Titanic? Her name was Jenny and she helped control the rat population on the Titanic. There is a photograph where Jenny appears. In this photograph taken on the Titanic, you can see Jenny on top of a crane.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
いただったれおいで
Look who we found living in our compost.
What's your name? What? What is your name? Tony! Fuck you, Tony! What's your name? Ezekiel! Fuck you, Ezekiel! Fuck you! Fuck you! Hey, you know what I did last night? You better not break my mother into this! You know what I did? You better not! I put that fire over there! Oh! And I fucked your mother next to it! Fuck you, Ezekiel! Fuck you! Fuck you!
Speed. I am Speed. One winner, 42 losers. I eat losers for breakfast. Faster than fast, quicker than quick. I am lightning.
Play this sound over your cat's most recent video.
Mommy, yes, this chicken.
Oh, he's cute.
He's cute. Look at him taking it.